Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove a saved location on Google Maps. First of all, you can open the Google Maps application. I can already open the app. After opening the maps, you can just simply go to the U option at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will find the third option, that is Save Trips. Tap on it, and now you will see your saved locations. Now you can just simply select the location that you want to delete and tap on the location. I can just simply tap on this location, and after this you can just simply swipe right at the bottom of the screen, and now you can tap on saved, and this is the way you can remove video from saved list on Google Maps. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.